What's up, guys? Welcome back, Digital Slang. Welcome back to the channel. Today, another pair of wireless earphones. These are the Soundcore, the Anker Liberty Air 2s, another pair of wireless buds. Now, price on these, 99 bucks on Amazon, but you can pick them up today. There's a $10 coupon, and you can get them for 89 bucks. Let's talk specs. Bluetooth 5.0, battery life on these, they're going to be really good. 7 hours of juice and another 3 full charges with the case. And they do support fast charging as well, so 10 minutes of charge gets you another 2 hours of battery life. So really cool, really good battery, and they do support wireless charging. Sound quality on these is supposed to be fantastic. Diamond coated drivers, and that will improve the sound quality. And again, 4 mics, so the mics should be really good, but we will test it out. This does have an app as well, so you can go in and you can adjust the EQ and pick what style of music you like to use. If you want more bass, you can put more bass. If you want more highs, you can put more highs. So we'll get into all that. There is also a hear test, and it will personalize the EQ depending on how you answer in the hear test. So pretty cool features. IPX5, water and dust resistant, so they're not waterproof, but you can work out and you can sweat in them and you won't have any issues. But let's take a look at the packaging and then we'll jump in and we'll start the testing. Now, flawless call quality on the front, a picture of the buds. It does come in 2 colors, black and white. This is the black colorway, and the box is solid. I really like the packaging on here. Again, a picture of the buds on the front, and on the sides, a little bit more branding. This is the diamond coated drivers and just some dude rocking the buds. And on the back, it does go into everything we just talked about as far as specs. But let's just open up the box and we'll check them out. And we'll just start the testing. So inside the box, I love the presentation, right? Because a lot of times first impressions goes a long way, and it's a good start when you just open it up and there they are, they're right in your face. But this tells you a little bit more on the left here about the HearID. This is the hearing test that you're going to do in the app, and that will personalize the EQ settings depending on how you answer. But we'll get into that in a little bit. If we just take a look at the buds themselves, these are the Liberty Air 2s, and these do support touch controls. And there is a bit of plastic here. We'll take that off. But again, there will be extra silicone tips, so you can get that good seal, which will definitely improve the sound quality. But let's just take these out. Take out the case, and we'll check out the case. Now this case, it's a matte black finish, and I really like the case. You have your LED lights here on the front, your USB Type-C. This will be on the bottom, your button to pair. And I like the case. It's a solid case. It's a hard plastic, and the Soundcore logo here on the front. But overall, very nice. Let's see how they fit. We'll throw them in and then we'll hook them up. And it actually reminds me a lot of the AirPod Pros, but these are black and they're dope. So we'll check them out. Let's see what else is in the box. There's a little tab here. We can pull this little tab up, take this out, and this is a little card. So interesting, this is a little sound card, and they're asking you questions, so I guess we can go and we can fill that out and tell them what we thought about the sound, and it's just for sound. This is a quick start guide. We also have the user's manual and another manual. Inside here we got the USB Type-C for charging, and we also have the silicone buds that you can see here. I know the shadows are hard to see it, but they are there, and there are 4 sizes of extra. So 5 total silicone tips on here, and that's really good. I like when we can get options because we all have different size ears and we all want that best fit. But I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Let's just connect them. I'm gonna leave the silicone tips that they came with and we'll just test it out. We'll start the sound test, the mic test. We'll go through everything. So I'll connect them. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm all connected. I did have to download a firmware update to get them both to connect. I had some problems. I had to reset them. And then once I got into the app, there was a firmware update, but now we're all good. They connected right away. So if you're having any issues, if you pick these up, if you're having any issues, reset them, then go into the app and there's a firmware update for them. And you should be fine after that. But we're all connected. We're gonna play some music. We'll start the testing, see how these things sound. Let's play some beats. Sound quality is really good. Now they're not overpowering, right? The volume, it's not too loud. It's a nice balance with the bass. Now we can go into the EQ and we could change that and have a little more bass, have a little more treble, depending on what you like music-wise. But straight out of the box, there's a signature Soundcore setting in the EQ, and it sounds really good. It's a nice crystal clear sound with some bass, and it pops, and it's not overbearing. Again, there's nothing that stands out that's going to be too much, but overall these things sound really good. So I'm impressed by the sound. So let's go in, and we'll go into the app really quick, and we'll see. I'll show you guys Liberty Air 2. If we go into the app, we're connected. Now you can go into here, into control, and you can change your double tap features, your touch controls. You can hold. If you hold for 2 or 3 seconds, you can set it on voice assistant. That's what it's at default. I'm just going to leave it at default settings, and I'll play with it later. But double tap, we'll do all the testing of these the way they are, but you can double tap right now. The left is set to next track, the right is set to play and pause. And if we go out of here, we go into the EQ. Here's all of our settings. So you got your Soundcore signature, your bass, boost, acoustic. I mean, there's a bunch of settings, vocal, trebles, whatever you like, you can make it your own. And it's really cool. So I'm going to leave it on bass boost because I like that bass. And we're just going to continue the testing. So next test, because on the front of the box they talk about the 4 mics. Let's do a mic test. We'll check it out. See if it's as good as they claim. What up, guys? Mic test. Liberty Air 2s. Let me know how they sound. Are they comparable finally to the AirPods? I'm looking for somebody to dethrone the AirPods. They've been the king of the mic. Let me know how they sound. Next test, we'll check the latency. See if there's any delay between audio and video. We're going to go into YouTube. We'll play a video. No delay between audio and video. We'll try another video just to double check. No delay between audio and video. Works really well. So I'm impressed by these right now. At 89 bucks, they are worth 89 bucks, hands down. Not even a question. The sound quality on these things is fantastic. No delay. And the mic should sound pretty good. Let me know how the mic sounds. Next test, touch controls. We'll play some more music and we'll try them out. Playing music. 2 taps. 2 taps pauses, 2 taps again. Plays. So 2 taps on the right side, plays and pause. And again, you can go into your app and you could change that to whatever you like. Now the left side, I believe in the app it did say next track, so this should go to the next track. We'll play some more music. 2 taps left side. Next track. 2 taps again. Next track. Works really well. So 2 taps right side, plays and pause. 2 taps left side will go to the next track. And again, you can go into the app and change this. Now, if we hold for 2 to 3 seconds, we should get the voice assistant, and that works. Right now it's set up for the left and the right. So if we play some music, what's up, Siri? What up, Siri? And we'll try the left side. Hi, Siri. So the touch controls work just like they should. And when you do it, when you're trying to activate the voice assistant, it's just touch, hold for 2 seconds, kind of count it out in your head, and then you have to take your finger off, and then Siri will come on. Now, in-ear detection, these do have in-ear detection. So if I play some music, it pauses right away. And when I put it back in my ear, it doesn't notice that it's back in my ear. So you do have to physically play it yourself. But again, if you take it out, it pauses. So it does pause when you take it out, but it won't play instantly when you put it back in. We'll try the left side. So it pauses right away, back in. You have to play it. So in-ear detection does work. However, you do have to push play. It's not automatic like the AirPods are when you put it back into your ear. So last test, we'll check out the HearID. We'll see what that's all about. Now, if you click on here, see details, it tells you a little bit about it. And what it's going to do, it's going to analyze your hearing sensitivity, and it's going to do it at different frequencies, and it's going to recommend a sound profile for you in the EQ that it thinks will fit best. So if we hit next, it does ask your age. We go to next, and it says find a quiet place, put the earphones on. So if we put them on, hit next, operating instructions, hold the button when you can hear the sound, release the button when you stop hearing the sound. All right, so I just did the ear test and it does take a long time. And basically the way it works is you go into the app and it plays these really low frequency sounds, and there's a button you touch and hold. And when it plays a sound, you touch it and you hold on to it. And then when the sound stops, you let go and you keep doing it. And it takes about 5-10 minutes to get through the test. So I'm supposed to personalize the sound. So I'm gonna play some music and just see how it sounds, because this is supposedly my sound. I like it. I like the sound. I put it from my personalized earphones to the bass booster, and I actually like my sound a little better. I actually feel like there's more bass in that than there is in the bass boost. So I'm surprised. I like it. I don't have any problems with it. So the ear test, the hear test, or the HearID, whatever you want to call it, it works. All right, guys, the Liberty Air 2s, what do you guys think? A lot of good things. Sound quality is really good, and I'm impressed by it. It's one of the best that I've tested at this price point. And again, when I compare sound, right, I'm comparing sound depending on the price point of the product. Now, AirPod Pros cost $2 something. You know, there's a lot. Sony and Bose are all way over 200 bucks, and these are comparable. These sound just as good than those do, and for 89 bucks, it's a good pickup. Touch controls work very well. Battery life on here is going to be excellent. 7 hours of juice and another 3 charges with the case. So lots of good things. Again, wireless charging on here and USB Type-C, Bluetooth 5.0, IPX5, water and dust resistant. So lots of good things. In-ear detection works very well. However, it's a little different than what I'm used to. You take them out, pause it, you put them back in, it doesn't play. And you have to go in and hit play yourself, but it does work when you pull them out of your ear. No delay on audio and video, so lots of good things. I'm impressed by these, and again, it does come with a bunch of tips to give you the best seal to improve your sound. And I could probably get a better seal, but for now, that's good enough. I'll use them throughout the week, and we'll test them some more. And I'll let you guys know if I find anything else out about these. But overall, I'm impressed by them for 89 bucks. It's a good pickup. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know how the mic sounds, guys. If it's comparable to the AirPods. AirPods have been the king of the mic. And hopefully, we got a contender. So let me know. I appreciate the support. If you haven't subscribed, guys, subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Ring that bell for the latest updates. So we'll be back soon, guys. Peace.